So here's this little humidifier. It's great. Not too big. Very easy to move and pick up. Very lightweight. It's plastic. You just have like 4 settings. If you press one button, it goes to one stream. And it stops like every so often and starts up again and goes on the other side. You turn it off. You get 2. Turn it off. It's got a night light function, which if you want to turn it off, you just hold the press in for a minute, turns it off. Very simple to use. Just fill water in this thing, regular tap water. It's got a cotton tube inside this plastic tube and a spring, which is, I guess, how it draws the water up. Very simple. Put it on the faucet, good to go. Extremely quiet. Can't hear a thing. Not hot. It's actually kind of cool. Unit doesn't get hot. This doesn't get hot. Beautiful. Check it out.